Your Excellency, the Ambassador of China to Fiji, Honorable Assistant Ministers, Acting PS, officials of the Chinese Embassy, the representatives from the Commissioner's Office, senior government officials, Special Administrator, CEO of Nasuri Town Council, the President of the Fiji Volleyball Association, my good friend sitting there under the tent. Can you stand up so that everybody can see you? I want to introduce you. Linga, the teachers and the students, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bulavinaka and Niha. It is indeed a pleasure to be invited to this special occasion and to officiate with His Excellency at today's volleyball court opening ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, before I carry on, I would like to take this time to remember our Chinese families who have lost their loved ones during this COVID-19 pandemic. I can also imagine the pain that each family is going through during these normal times. Yes, COVID-19 pandemic has also touched the livelihoods of all Fijians and transformed our way of doing things, but also challenged us to rise and keep moving forward. With the motivation of the Fijian government, all Fijians are working together to see that we all focus in preventing the spread of this virus. Fiji's relationship, as mentioned earlier on, with the People's Republic of China draws from our long-standing history since the 1970s of the people-to-people links between Fiji and the People's Republic of China. Your Excellency, Fiji and China have shared an excellent relationship history, and we have come a very long way, and we have become family friends, as I may say. In the past years, we have seen a lot of initiatives from both sides collaborating in the area of youth and sports development. May I at this juncture congratulate the Chinese women's rugby sevens team that have qualified for the Olympic Games, and you can be rest assured that we, the Team Fiji, will also be there. Late last year, the ministry made an official approach to His Excellency for some needed assistance in the sports development. And ministry is so thankful to His Excellency in supporting our request, as this will bring much peace of mind to all Fijians in this area of Nakasi with the provision of this facility. Your Excellency, this new sports facility will have a great positive impact on this community of Nakasi, as it will promote health and well-being for the community and also identify some talents in the community that will in future be representing Fiji in sports. I urge the Nakasi communities in particular to look after this court as well. Ladies and gentlemen, under the Safe Sports Fiji protocol, all national sporting organization is to ensure new methods of training and competition for all sports. Since health and hygiene is critical, all stakeholders and the public must play their roles in making sure that all Fijians return to recreational activity and sports, but with the strict guidelines to the Ministry of Health's protocol. Given the current situation, it is pleasing to see that Fijians are keeping up with their fitness by making use of the walkways for an afternoon or morning walk, and the provision of this court will definitely strengthen the Nakasi community in motivating each other in these new normal times. Fijian athletes have been challenged both physically and mentally in preparation for their domestic and international competitions. However, we are thankful for government support and to the Fiji Association of Sports, National Olympic Committee, and the Fiji National Sports Commission in providing assistance and guidance to athletes, coaches, and the administrators in this country. With sports as an enabler, the Fiji and China relationship has been made stronger moving forward during this COVID-19 period. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to be here today and officiate with His Excellency at this important ceremony, as this will be a long-standing remembrance of the 50 years of independence for our lovely and beautiful nation of Fiji, with the great assistance from the peoples of Republic of China. Exciting days lie ahead for the immediate and nearby communities within this area, as sports not only promotes health lifestyles, but also brings together us as a nation in a very unique way. Now that the court is completed, today we will formally hand over this facility to the Nassori Town Council to operate and maintain. At this juncture, I would also like to thank the contractors, China Railway, for a job well done. They have designed it, they have constructed it. Can we all put our hands together and thank the contractors? With that few words, ladies and gentlemen, thank you and Vinaka for being here.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Young people to play. Let's pull it forward. Don't worry about it. Oh, good.
Roll.
Of the Woodbourne Court, please. Can we make our way?
Yes.